Hey, it's Gina with WTI. As a general contractor, my husband uses angle grinders all the time with his particular line of work. He's been wanting a cordless one for quite a while, so we were so thrilled to use this one that we got from Jovant. My husband feels that it cuts and sands well, and it definitely meets the needs that he has. Some of the features that my husband really likes are that it has 4 different speeds. That has been really nice for different areas that he's using it in. And then, of course, it's cordless. This is so nice because sometimes he is in areas where he doesn't have a ready supply of electricity to plug into. And this comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, and he just recharges them at night before he takes them to work the next day. My husband uses this for cutting and grinding metal, wood, and masonry, along with other things. And he's pleased with how powerful and convenient it is to use for the areas that he needs it. Sometimes you just never know what you're going to get when it comes to a cordless tool, but this has exceeded our expectations, and that's our point of view.